So this is, I think, a street side market, and all the people are here, like from outside. So they are all Indians, Bangladeshi, and Pakistanis. But let's see if it does make any sense to the market. And I really believe. Okay, let's go to the right.
Florence, then
So we have got. So most of the people here, the sellers, the vendors, are like Bangladeshis, I guess. Most of them. Most of them, I say, not most of them, all of them. So all of them here are like sellers of the leather products. So you can find like leather belts, bikes, this and that, and everything. So let's go here.